fart. Hey guys! Welcome back! So if you're wondering why me and Bianca are not filming this together, it's because we were not able to meet up this week to film, but we really wanted to get this video out so you guys could see part two of our thrift flip. So if you guys watched last time, we were supposed to thrift flip our dresses into two pieces, a top and a skirt, but we only got the top finished. So in this video, we finished the skirts and we're so excited to show you guys what they turned into. Let's go over there.
Hey guys, so I'm not with Kaylee right now to explain my portion of the skirt, or what I did for the skirt, which is sad. I know we're not in our studio. Well, I'm not in the studio, quote unquote, but hopefully I can do the video justice.
Hi guys, this is the editing Bianca, and I'm just very bothered with how my room looks. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to clean it up a bit, but yeah, I hope that doesn't bother you as much as it bothers me. Let's get on with the video
and explain it well. The first thing I did with the dress, of course, I split into two. If you watched our recent video, you know, if you didn't, head over there so you know what exactly I did to the dress. I did not cut it straight. It turned into a crop top. But yeah, that's like another, you know, you just watch over there in the previous video. So I separated the dress and then I hemmed the top. And the thing is, the hemming did not go well. I accidentally hemmed it wrong, and then I also planned to put a garter in, which I thought wouldn't look cute with a skirt, like if the garter scrunched up the top part of the skirt. So yeah, and then I had the seam rip the top part of the skirt and pin a smaller portion to hem the skirt. This was like around probably 2 centimeters of how much I wanted it, because with a garter was going to be 1 inch and all. I hemmed it with our sewing machine that we all love. So I pinned a smaller portion to hem, which was around like 2 centimeters of the top area, compared to the first plan I had, which was to make it 1 inch. And then I hemmed it with our sewing machine. I sewed the zipper on the side of the skirt because that's exactly where the two pieces of the skirt meet up. And then like I pinned it there first, and then I sewed it there. I didn't have to cut the skirt all the way, which was a good thing. And then when I flipped the skirt around, I cut open the zipper area, and then it was like, you can see the zipper. That was a weird gesture, but yeah, you can see the zipper. Yeah. In the final viewing of the skirt, it's not exactly done yet because, oh, hiccups. Because I wanted to put a slit in the right area, lower right area, but I didn't have enough time to do that this week. So hopefully in the future videos you may see it, you see me wearing it, who knows. But yeah, so that's like, that's my explanation for the skirt. So yeah.
Okay, so for my skirt, the way I made my skirt, I cut the top off of the, yeah, obviously I cut it off of the dress because I made 2 parts. I cut it, I measured the hem allowance, and I pinned it together, and I hemmed it. I sewed along the pinned area. I attached a zipper. If you want to see us explain how we attach the zipper, we can put up a separate video up for that, but basically I attached the zipper. We just got done learning how to do invisible zippers, and I think this is actually the best one that I did so far. And added some darts, I added a hook at the back so that the zipper wouldn't get out, and that's it. That's how I made my skirt. And I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I think it looks really cute, and I think it's much more wearable this way compared to being a full dress. I thought the print was way too overwhelming as a full dress, and I don't think I'm going to be using the top much, because we all remember how, you know, how much skin that showed. So I'm really happy that I at least got one item out of this thrift flip that I think I can use on a day-to-day basis.
If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe down below. If you want to hear more, be updated with us, hit that bell button.
Guys, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching, and
so yeah, see you next Sunday. Alright, bye.